Here we are on August 11th. Figured I better get a hold of these hummingbirds here before they decide to leave. They've been eating up a bottle of this every day. We've got something like about anywhere between 12 and 14 around here right now. So, gotta go buy another bag of sugar tomorrow. About 2 cups of sugar a day and 4 cups of water. 8 cups of water. 1 to 4. We mix it. Look how many got there right now. There's only 2 or 3 there now, but at times that feeder's right full and they're flying around waiting to land. Yeah, it's a little quiet right now. Next year we're going to have 2 of these same feeders hanging here, otherwise can't feed them all. Yeah, take a quick glance down here. Let's see if there's any on the wire up here. No, none up there. Oops, they're coming back. I hear them. Look out. Good weather, breezy and cool out here for August 11th. Calling for -7 either tonight or tomorrow night. I can't remember. Don't go by that temperature thing on the wall there. That's wrong. That don't work right. Should go in the garbage. Anyhow, look at the trees down the driveway. A little breezy here. Looks like it's going to rain again. Big black cloud up there. Grass needs cut again too. Maybe tomorrow if it doesn't rain. Still. Where'd they all go to? Sounds like the cow wants some hay too. Anyhow, that'll do for now.